So in order to latch on, you want to find one of these little rings on the side. They're usually the metal bars. Latch onto there. Now we are good to go. In order to activate the actual lift, you want to pull the red cap. Give it a couple seconds, you'll see the light pop up. That means it'll actually have the power. You find the engine switch, which will look like the same one down the ground. For this lift specifically, it's up towards the end. Give it a couple seconds, so you'll have to warm up. And then in order to actually activate any of the controls on this lift here, you have to put your foot down and step on the gas pedal. Now with that, you can use either the right stick on this lift specifically to move the base, or the left stick in order to move the carriage section. So if you want to go up, you just give it a little up. Down, same thing. Side to side, same thing. Now for the list of buttons, you have ways to move the actual crane itself or the basket. So for the first section, say you need to get over there, you'll be moving the basket to the side. Once you're doing that, you only want to do one control at a time, and you will make sure your foot's off the pedal when you're not doing anything. Move it back. For the next section, we're going to go up a little bit. And then the other ones let us actually maneuver the carriage if we need to either get into something or get over it. And you're able to back up or back into a section that might be sloped, or you might just want to even yourself out. We also have the secondary arm has the ability to move as well. Gives you a couple extra inches up, doesn't move too fast. And we have our final bit, which would be extending the long arm. And that's where you get a majority of your actual distance from when using the boom lift.